I'm gonna show you guys how I make my orange Mexican rice. I put 2 cups of rice with a little bit of oil, just enough to cover the base of the pan. And then you mix it around, let all the rices get like oil on them. And you pretty much want to let it sit for a little bit and mix it every now and then to let the rice brown a little. So that's step 1, 2, and 3. So meanwhile I have this rice browning. I'm gonna make a couple snacks for these guys. I got these chicharrones. The eloteros be selling. Look at this. You can make them right at home, guys. All you gotta buy is a little bag for like $1 something. Just don't burn them. So now that it's kind of like browned, this is when you want to act like, you know, hella quick and have everything kind of prepared, ready to throw in. So what I put in is a can of tomato sauce. Like that. You could just open the whole fucking thing. But I like to do it the way my mom used to do it, popping 2 holes in it. Give that a little zhuzh around. Now I get some lories. Put about a teaspoon in there. And then some chicken bouillon or whatever the hell this is called. And then you want to lower the heat a little. And then throw in 3 cups of water. What's wrong, Mama? And then add a sazon Goya. Hi, Preciosa. Hi, Preciosa. Why are you screaming, huh? Why are you screaming? Why you scream, my love? Say hi, Delilah. Okay, so now that we have everything in there, you just want to give it a little stir. And at this point, this is all I'm doing, just plain orange rice. I'm gonna cover it. And I'm gonna stay close by, make sure it doesn't start spilling and stuff. And then when it does, like, you just want to crack it open a little so it stops spilling everywhere. And then once it's kind of like settled down, the rice and everything, then you want to cover it back. You don't want to leave it open the whole time. So yeah, just let it cook, low heat, stay close by, keep an eye on it. Once the water disappears and you see your rice all puffed up and nice, that means that it's done. Just don't keep it too long, because then the bottom starts burning and then the whole rice will taste bad. But yeah, so I'm gonna feed this little girl right now, put her to sleep, because she's so tired. Look at you, so tired. Yes, you are. Say bye-bye. Good night. All right, bye. And voila, the rice is done. It's okay if a little bit of water or tomato sauce stays on the edge. That's just tomato sauce, but it's pretty much all cooked. And that's it. That's how I make my orange rice. Thanks for watching. And that's orange rice, picadillo, and cheese. And then how cute is this mug, guys? I got this from the dollar section at Target. And I'm using it to put my salsa. So good. Bon appetit.